Neil Carlson here in McIntosh, Minnesota, with another quick look at storm damage around town. McIntosh is 60 miles east of Grand Forks. Right here you can see a bunch of the roof was blown off a building here. They're picking it up off the street. And also lots of tree branches down in different parts of town. You already showed you there's a fire going on while all this happened. I'll show you a little bit more around here. Also just talked with a city official who says there's a bunch of power lines straight south of here down along the highway, power outages around a big part of this area. Here, we'll take it off here, you can take a look. There's more branches down. Kind of all over town you'll find this. Up here is the old McIntosh school. We got another tree cracked over in front of the school, old school here. And we've got neighborhoods all over town where there's branches down. Crews are down there at that fire we already showed you. And again, power outages from McIntosh to Erskine, Mentor, kind of all over the area. Weather Service was forecasting winds up to 80 miles per hour early this morning. It just moved through. It was clocked in Grand Forks before it moved east at 76 miles per hour. Again, lots of trees down all over. And also Winger got hit. Check back soon. We'll have a report from Winger on storm damage. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNews.tv.